Hey everybody, Scott here, Flamethrower Grill. It's May 1st, 2020 in Detroit, Michigan here. Beautiful day. Last 2 days it was cold, windy, and rainy. Got beautiful sunshine and in the 60s. And it's lunchtime, so I'm going to do a sandwich. So I'm thinking, what am I going to do? Pulled pork grilled cheese. Yep, that's what's happening. You in for this? Come on, check this out.
Get started on the pulled pork grilled cheese sandwich. All you're going to need is some room temperature butter, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of rub that you love, some leftover pulled pork, 2 slices of bread, and this is our cold smoked cheddar and mozzarella cheese. First thing you want to do, turn up your pan to medium heat. Now just add the oil to your frying pan. While the oil heats up in the pan, take your bread, give it a good coating of butter on one side. Next, just start grating your cold smoked cheese, or any cheese you like. We're going to mix it up with some mozzarella and cheddar cheese on this pulled pork grilled cheese sandwich. Pan's nice and hot with that oil, just throw the pork in. Mix it around, get it all oiled up, heat up all the fat so it softens up. Keep heating up the pork while stirring it around in that oil, getting it nice and warm. Then, take some of your dry rub and just sprinkle it on. Let this cook for a few minutes and keep stirring it. While the pork heats up, start with your first layer of cheese on the bread. Don't be shy. Pork's all warmed up and smelling great. Now, just throw it on that piece of bread. Don't have to be too pretty. Build it up halfway and take some more cheese. Throw it in the middle, then add the rest of the pork right to the top. Top it off with some more cheese. Now, time to turn up the heat. Medium high, give it a couple minutes, we'll get that grilled cheese on there. Frying pan's nice and hot, let's get that grilled cheese on. Sounds great. Time to give it a flip. Oh, looking good. Taste tester. Another one. Another minute or two. It's all done. Pulled pork grilled cheese, looking great. Time to take it off. Let's give it another flip. Check it out. Grilled cheese, all done and looking great. Let's cut it down the middle and take a peek. Look at that. Time to give it a taste test.
Well, folks, there you have it. The pulled pork grilled cheese. What could be better than that? Well, maybe we've had more cheese. But here we are, May 1st, 2020, in Michigan on the COVID-19 lockdown, coronavirus. We still got a couple weeks here before we can get out of our houses over here in Michigan. We'll reevaluate in about 14 days. But to deal with the stress, what could be better than some comfort food? And what could be better than a grilled cheese? You know, some things I would change up, maybe a little bit here and there. You could change the seasonings if you like. What about throwing some barbecue sauce on that pork before you build the sandwich? You know, that might be something to do, or change up the breads, change up the cheeses, that kind of thing. Make it bigger. Yeah, well, if you like the show, please share this with your friends. Subscribe to the channel up here when you see the steak. Okay, got some other videos in the corners here that you're going to see in a second. And feel free, always, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. And you guys have an awesome day, and the first day of May. See you around.